Well, good morning, everyone. Guys, we're back down here at the inlet. It's right about 7 o'clock in the morning, and it is breezy and chilly again. But that ain't stopping us from getting out here and doing some fishing. We brought the whole family down. We got hopefully some pompanos on the run is what we're aiming for. Either that or some bait fish so we can go shark fishing later on today. But yeah, if we catch anything, we'll show you.
Payload closed.
Y'all catch anything?
All right, we're just getting started. Hopefully we're gonna find something here soon.
You got electronics to be able to see something out there?
Oh yeah. Yeah, that's what I'm doing right here is I'm gonna fly it out and check it all out. All right, we're gonna drop here at 175.
Payload released.
Ah, I forgot to drop it again. Dadgummit. I forgot to drop the cord down, so it's stuck on the thing, so I'm going to swing it back and forth to knock it off. Alrighty. Yeah, word to the wise, don't forget to move your cable down when your release mechanism is not hung up at the top. Oh no, there's something on the end of this. There's a little one. Oh, yeah, he's in all of my lines. Now, a few videos back, y'all saw we did Team Orange versus Team Pink. And Team Orange and Team Pink were tied by the time we were finished with the first 2 days. One, we had a big giant black drum. The other one, we had a nice pompano. So today, we're teaming up. The 2 runt rods that I have on right now have 2 pink rigs on them. And right now, I'm getting ready to put our Pompanator 2.0 orange on my big rod here. Because we're going to put 2 and 2 out and see what gets to hitting this morning. Because, man, I got a good feeling. It's going to be a good Friday. We're going to catch on, or we're going to catch on to these pompano. And we're going to definitely have some fun fighting them. And oh, here we go, right here, guys. Black rod. There we go. Got fish on. Yeah, he's on there. What we got? All right, first fish of the morning, guys, on Team Pink. We got us a whiting. There we go. I'm telling you, today's the day. Spines in them. All right, you're going back. Whee! I give it a 10 for dismount. All right, y'all. Well, we are set up. We've got Team Pink set up, Team Orange set up. Right now, Team Pink is up 1. They've got the whiting this morning. So hopefully Brittany and Will will show up and be my good luck charms today, and we'll see what happens going forward. But guys, we need that big pompano, so keep our fingers crossed.
Is it recording?
Okay. Eagle fly.
Yeah, that was a small sandbar. Yeah, that was a small sandbar. Well, y'all, that is a wrap for this adventure. Man, I appreciate every single one of y'all coming along and following these last few series of videos down here in Port St. Joe. Man, I'm gonna tell you what, just to recap, Team Orange, Team Pink, man, it was a tie. Between the pompanos that we caught, the whiting, yeah, it was a good time, and I think both of those pink and orange colors work out here in the surf. Now, earlier, as you can tell, we had calm waters, and then all of a sudden the wind shifted, and we got on that last shark, and boy, that was a good, fun fight. But yeah, I'm gonna tell you what, I've had a blast on this trip. I'm glad everybody enjoyed getting down here as a family. So yeah, we're gonna wrap it up here. Be sure to check down the description below to check out all of our links. There's discounts and stuff to save you guys money. Be sure to check out C-Tech, man. I'm loving these shirts and the new hats. So if y'all like those, go over to C-Tech. Go check out Hooked On Reeling for all of our rigs. Go check out Fish Gun for their bait. And guys, there's a few more down there, but man, we appreciate y'all coming along, and we'll catch you in the next adventure.